Welcome to another episode of Efficient and Proficient with me, Kevin Hua. Today we will be doing the SMAW 4GF welder qualification. This qualification is the overhead position. Now you've already done your flat, horizontal, and vertical before you get to this one. You're already a pro. Obtaining the certification qualifies you for your all position. So that makes you more valuable and more versatile out in the field. The test assembly for 4GF is the same as the 1GF and 3GF. Before we get this tacked in the overhead position, your CSR will mark your starts and stops. As always, before you start welding, throw on your appropriate PPE. Now that we have our coupon in position, we're going to weld the square side first, 3/4 of the way, and weld the bevel side 1/4 of the way to the marks that your CSR put on there. Before you even get to welding, you want to be comfortable. Have a steady base, plant your hip against the table, get yourself an armrest. That way you take all the stress off of your body so you can focus on your weld. Keep in mind that as you weld this out, you're going to be working from one side to the other. You want to be able to see your entire joint. Gravity is not your friend. So when you're welding this out, keep a tight arc length and maintain proper rod angle. Because if you don't, it's going to start raining down molten metal on you. We've covered all the basics now of how I do this test. Now let's get into it. I've completed my stops. Now it's time for the CSR to come in and check them. Once the CSR has checked these, I'm going to continue to finish my root pass. I've finished my starts and stops, and I want to point out something. See this little gap in between the welds? That's important to maintain that so you can tie your two beads together. As with any qualification, small hot passes is what you want to do. You don't want to try to put in two fat passes in there. You could risk lack of fusion in the middle. Our CSR has checked this out. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Quick reminder, do not remove your coupon from position until the CSR has had a look at it. Mine has been looked at, so we're ready to go. The evaluation is the same as your previous 3 positions. You're going to take 3 straps out of here, bend 2 roots, 1 cap. Once you've qualified for your overhead, you have your all position SMAW. What's cool about that is that the next time you test, you only have to do your check test, 1 plate instead of 4. You've already proven that you're a good welder by passing the last 3 positions. Don't stress, this is just upside down flat. I hope you've enjoyed these tips and tricks about how I pass this test. Now get out there and do it. Good luck.